So only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you could hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.
Even though I already did by accident. So we're on a roll. We're doing great. That started, and then same deal as before. Press into that corner, and you're gonna walk. So you can, like, I don't want to call it caress, but you're gonna caress your wrinkles out, I guess. I'm already having a problem there. And like I said earlier, the cool thing about glue is that you can peel back and it'll be okay. That wrinkle is because of that wire, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so next hole, you got the pick?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's going to be a little bit easier because we don't have to hold in this corner. So I'm going to hold your flashlight, you're going to find the hole, okay? You see it? And remember, trust yourself. Alright, send it. Feel it go through? I heard it go through. Or did you go too high? That's okay. We have extra material for that. Or you can poke a new hole, whatever makes you feel better. Okay. You got the other screw?
You did.
Right beside me.
Look at you. You're so useful. Okay, burn your hole, or heat up your tool. There we go, that's the word. We don't need people seeing my Facebook. And don't inhale the smoke coming off of that, because that's all that rubber.
Okay.
Okay. And again, don't burn my hand. There you go. Kind of wiggle it around. Yeah. Dope. All right, you're good. Pull tight. Pull up. Well, you don't pull up. You need to get it right there. Alright, that's screwed in. That's glued quite a ways down.
Oh.
The seat is wider than the opening.
It's the worst way to get in. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're gonna hate me. You're gonna want to tilt it forward.
We can't really.
Okay, I am protecting it against a very sharp corner.
The steering wheel's behind you.
need to talk about your walking backwards technique when this is done.
There's no real good way to do it.
Okay. Watch that corner. Alright. And just leave it like that because we gotta do electrical and stuff. Thank you so much for your help.
Can I go anywhere?
Do I need to get in the back seat and push again?
I'm twisting it. I have it on like. I was able to get like a tenth of a thread. That's pretty much what I got, so you're good.
You have the socket?
Or not. No.
You need, okay, use the wrench. You have to screw it on while he's pushing.
I'm full ass lifting this thing off the back.
So about right there you can see the bolt Bella put in. And over there Jared's putting in the other bolts for the seat.